know who's going. It ain't fucking me and Chloe, man. It ain't me and Chloe. Know who's going. Got my lady for it. Fucking get fucking dumb lady to hell. That's funny.
You just get quiet.
Everybody better fucking leave.
You can manage your own business.
Going. Good night. Going. Fucking dumb cunt.
I'm not sure what part of mind your own fucking business you don't understand, but you better fucking get it.
I did nothing. This is don't fucking find a fact that's supposed to be a computer.
Really? Because I went straight across the street and you weren't there.
Across what street?
To the only gas station across the street.
Why was I going to do it?
Good. Oh, I'm not.
What you folks do? How are you going to try to lock me out of my house?
Are you fucking kidding me?
No,
Are you kidding me?
You got some fucking computer in here?
Really? You know what? I went into an ATM. I went into a bank, into an ATM, turned around, come back out to my car, and you're gone?
You remember the conversation before that?
What was the conversation?
Oh, you were accusing me of bullshit fucking around.
Really? Was I? Exactly what did I say there?
Oh, does it take you that long? You're going to fucking blah, blah, blah.
And that was accusing
You're not
you
your
of...
daughter, dude.
When did I ever accuse you of fucking around for it? I accused you of taking far too long to go to the gas station.
Yeah, so what was that supposed to be?
That means you took far too long to go to the gas station. It doesn't take that long to go to the gas station. That's exactly what that means. It does not take that fucking long to go to the gas station. Doesn't take that long to go to the gas station. I don't give a fuck what you're doing or what you're not doing. Bottom line is, it doesn't take that long to go to the gas station. That's all I said. That's all I said. I go into the ATM, I come out and you're fucking gone? You just disappeared from my vehicle? Okay. Well, I'm glad you got your car. I hope you got your car. I hope you got it. Hope that was what you felt you needed to do. Good for you, buddy. Good for fucking you. Thanks for breaking my front door. Thanks for breaking my front window. Thanks for disappearing from my vehicle.
Why would you lock the door on me when I live here? Why would you lock the door on me? What did I do?
I locked the door because
you were scared about something? You were worried about your house?
I live in the ghetto.
Yep.
Yeah, hi. I think I need to speak to maybe the prosecutor, perhaps, if the prosecutor's available, or maybe the probation officer of some sort. My name's Brian Coth.
Oh, Brian. Yeah, they're all wrapped up in court right now.
They're all wrapped up in court right now? Well, here's the issue I got, alright? Why don't I give a copy of this, alright? I'm the custodial parent of my daughter. Her stepdad assaulted me, and he was found guilty in this court. He's on probation in this court. Now, I'm recording this, alright? He is forbidden to have any communication with him. You understand that? I have custody of my daughter. They are not to be talking. And I expect his probation officer from this court to enforce it immediately. You may take a copy of that custody paperwork.
Let me see if Nicole's available, okay?
I'm not gonna, I'm a victim. This dude beat the hell out of me and I can't feel the right side of my face. I got permanent injuries and I'm not gonna be so kind about to say, will you please enforce a no contact order between him and my daughter? I expect it to be done.
Let me make a copy of this.
These are your people you vote for. I wouldn't vote for them next time.
You carried him for misdemeanor?
It would be a minor misdemeanor. But the misdemeanor was from M1 to misdemeanor misdemeanor for street, it's up to 6 months in jail, down to 4, 30 days in jail, and then minor misdemeanor is like a speeding ticket. It's only a finable offense, it's not jail.
Oh, is that Kozar over there? Yeah, he knows. You see him hiding over there, so he knows exactly who he's talking to. Judge Kozar. I'm going to put a commercial lien against him, too. He thinks it's funny to let people beat you up and then let you play and interfere with custodial justice.
Please have to get rid of this today.
No, he ain't doing that.
Oh, yeah, and then he owes me $2,500. Where's that at? They think the medical bills is funny. They don't want to pay medical bills.
Bullshit, basically what it is. I'm gonna come back and counter to him for my
Now here he comes to mess with me.
insulting him on this stupid shit. And going through all this is stupid. And then you wanna charge him? And they can't get off.
She's the one that said I was going to be arrested for coming in and complaining about my money.
You gotta just put it on your record, makes you look bad.
Probation officer said I'd be arrested because I'm the victim, and I asked where my restitution was, and she said if I asked one more time, she'd arrest me for it.
They contacted you at all, or send you anything? He contacted Mark Smith, we'll see how this is.
This is justice in Sandusky County.
I mean, he's not even like that. He's seen it or heard you doing it or anything.
I wasn't even around, man. Apparently, Ben's weird.
We'll just have trial. If you want to push our buttons, we'll push theirs. And I mean, I would, honestly, I don't know that he would try to sue you, and that potential there just get rid of that one there, you know, but, I don't see much any of the lawsuits. It's getting pretty easy. You don't have an income for them to take on cases and sue them, they're gonna get paid first.
Well, to be honest about it, he is working.
I know, but
But 2 days a week.
Paying for a truck that doesn't run.
He works more than Jason.
Yeah.
That's all Jason.
I've submitted the paperwork. I'm the custodial father. I'm the victim of the crime. The man's been convicted. He served 15 days in jail. This is his third time attacking people. He's a known violent offender. The reason I have custody of my daughter now is because of domestic violence erupted between him and my daughter's mother. These guys could have done something about it many years ago. I filed for a civil protection order in September of 2010. I started making complaints with Children's Services in Sandusky County, and they ignored it. I made complaints with the Sandusky County Sheriff Department. They ignored it. I took a beer bottle to my face December 2nd of 2012, 8 fractures, titanium plate, at the hands of Derek Crockett.
I don't care what it costs you. You know, I'm not, I can't arrest you for going.
Yes, sir.
to the door.
Like talking to you before in the cases that you want expunged too.
Well, I'm not worried about that right now. My biggest thing is I expect no more contact between the man who attacked me and my child that I have custody of. You've been given a custodial order. If you want to question the integrity of that order, call Judge Brad Smith. But that's official. I've got custody, and I expect no more contact between Derek Crockett, the man who assaulted me. No more contact. Understand?
Got it.
Thank you. You guys are good? I'm good. And the $2,500 he's owed to me, I'd appreciate it if the judge would put a stamp on that and get it to me. I'm a victim. Thank you. Good luck, guys.
Message. Hi, my name is resaved. Next message.
Brian, let's stop this hate. Let's forget it. Let's talk it out, do what we can do, but let's not ever put us as adults in front of these children that need us. They need us to be examples. Let's not forget about that. I got ears. Let's talk. I love you, brother. You know you're one of my boys from way back. Come on. You know who this is? Come on. Let's talk. You owe me that, at least. Let's talk.
End of message. To delete this message.
Brian, let's...
Sent Wednesday, February 18th at 7:32 p.m. Saved message from 4196038058843.
Stop this hate.
Resaved. Next message.
Brian, it's Derek. man. Our stupid shit, we gotta fix this, man. This is bad for both of us. It's bad for everybody. Let's fucking fix it, man. We can do it. Me and you, we can at least talk about it. Get some kind of ground. Give me the chance. Give me the chance. You know, dude, I'm a bro. You know me. I love you, man. You should give me a call. We gotta figure this out.
Sent Wednesday, February 18th at 9:29 p.m. Saved message from 419603808. 41 seconds. End of message. To delete this message, press 7. To save it, press 9. Resaved. Next message.
Brian, this is Nicole from the probation department. You did not speak to me while you were here. I was going to show you the rules that you had signed. I still need you to take a drug test today. I would like you to report to task in Fremont. You need to take your medical marijuana card with you to prove that you have that. But you need to report there by 4:30 today. If you have any questions, you can call me back, 419-547-3262. There's also 419-849-2026. That's the office that I will be at tomorrow. Bye.
Sent Thursday, February 19th at 12:09 p.m. Saved message from 41954709115. 38 seconds. End of message. To delete this message, press 7. To save it, press 9. Resaved. Next message.
All right, there you now just heard it. And if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see that I'm in there on February 17th and I'm asking the judge who presided over the case to keep Derek Crockett away from my kid. And then that little probation officer walks into the scene and she looks at my custody paper. They both view the custody paper. And then they put this on me. Derek Crockett, the guy who beats me up. The man who has 2 of his friends hold me down and smash me in the face with the beer bottle. 8 fractures, permanent nerve damage, titanium plate. I'm a victim of a violent crime ×2 in 90 days. And the judge, Colzar, now wants me arrested and thrown in jail for 90 days. The same jail that Sheriff Kyle Overmeyer killed my brother Craig Burdine in handcuffs. They just got done trying to pink slip me. And when they pink slipped me, they put me in a hospital and they said, here, give him this pills so to make him stop thinking. And then they were about to probate me and make me a ward of the state of Ohio. America, you guys better watch out. This is real. 100% real. Sandusky County, this is real. Fremont, Ohio, this is real. You just heard the evidence. And if you follow the timelines, follow the timelines, people. This man, Derek Crockett, look in the records. He's been bothering me since 2010 when I asked for a civil protection order. They told me to go downstairs to the juvenile court. I did. I got a 2.5-year trial. 6 months later, Magistrate Peterson had some type of conversation. Not even that. 3 months later, Magistrate Peterson had some kind of conversation with Derek Crockett, ex parte, on record. On record, it's in the juvenile court via Jody Bucklew versus Derek Crockett for a custody case somewhere on or about the 3rd or 2nd week of January. If you contact Jody Bucklew, she'll know it's already been filed in the court of law in Sandusky County. It's under a filed motion February 27th downstairs in Brad Smith's court. On March 13th, my attorney, Matt Exton, is going to strike it off the record. This is what John Kozar and Derek Crockett and his probation officer has done to me. I need help at this point. The corruption is, woo, I stepped in a big pile of doo-doo. So, alright. Hey guys, Yeshua. Here we go. I'm going into the courthouse because now I'm being harassed when I make a complaint. Hello, how are you?
Good.
All right, excellent. I was here 2 days ago to make a complaint about the guy who beat me up.
Okay.
And asked him that the courts apply, you know, the probation rules. He doesn't contact me, doesn't contact my family.
Okay.
He contacted my daughter last night. Her behavior became unruly. The police were involved up north in Michigan, so now it becomes a bounty, power play, who's got jurisdiction, who doesn't, what, where, when, why.
Okay.
And then today, the probation officer calls me threatening that she won't terminate my probation unless I drop in a cup. But that wasn't per our agreement when I first went on probation 2 years ago, because I didn't live in Ohio. When I took the case, I was going to fight it to a jury trial because I'm a medical marijuana patient, and I medicate with marijuana. Okay, that was told to the prosecutor before I pled guilty, no contest to a driving under the influence. And now this probation officer named Nicole just called me and threatened that I don't get off probation unless I piss in a cup. I don't think so. That's not part of the deal, all right? Okay. Especially 2 days after I come in and make a complaint about the guy who beat me up, Derek Crockett, who owns the golf course, and now they're shaking my stick with the probation officer? Care to comment?
Brian, have a seat.
What?
You're here to see your probation officer.
No,
right?
I'm here to make a complaint about the guy who beat me up.
Okay.
And I expect him to stop talking to my daughter. Listen, that's what I'm here for. I'm not here to see a probation officer. I didn't make an appointment to see her.
I just called you, right? And you said you were going to come in here and see her, right?
No, I said I'm coming in here to make a complaint because I just left the juvenile court filing a complaint against the guy who beat me up. That's why I said I'm coming here. The information about coming to see Nicole, nope, I have no interest in seeing Nicole. Absolutely not. Now, did she just call me and tell me that I'm going to pee in a cup before I get off probation? Yeah, she did. And I said I'm not peeing in a cup because that's not part of the probation rules. That wasn't part of the conditions that I made with Miss Allen 2 years ago. Okay? So we're not even going to talk. I'm not here to see Nicole about my probation. It's inactive. Haven't dealt with that in 2 years. That's done. Okay? I'm here to deal with the guy who beat me up. He's on probation in this court, correct? Sir, the guy who beat me up, he's on probation here, right? He just got done serving 15 days. No, I'm here to talk to the clerk of courts. If Nicole wants to take a message through the clerk of courts about Derek Crockett, the guy who beat me up, who's on probation here, to stop trying to contact my child, what do I have to do to have that happen? Can you, the court, enforce that no contact order? That's why I'm here. Are you going to enforce it?
Have you made a police report yet?
I'm making it right here. I don't associate with Clyde Police because I don't live in Clyde, Ohio anymore, and they don't take my reports. So I'm coming straight to you.
If you're not going to make a report with Clyde, then you need to do it through the sheriff's department.
They don't take my report either, and it's been recorded. Just 2 days ago I was there. Okay. So we got a problem, don't we? Police department won't take a report. Sheriff department won't take a report. So now I'm stuck to telling you about it. Mm-hmm. You're the last leg. After that, it's the U.S. Marshal's office. After that, then I don't know who to go see for help. Okay.
I'll have to go back and talk to the judge and see what has to happen.
Well, if he's ready to hear the audio of the domestic violence that took place just 120 days ago that my daughter witnessed, okay, because this guy's a third-time violent offender. And I showed it to the courts. I got my own trial right here. Derek was found guilty of assaulting me in broad daylight in front of the Clyde Police Department, and they didn't do a damn thing. What makes you think they're going to do something today? Why do you think I'm standing here videoing you? Because nobody does anything. So this time, when somebody says, why aren't people being held accountable and doing their jobs, we're going to find out why, real fast.
Okay, let me go talk to the judge, okay, Brian? See what he said.
I'm going to get in my car, and I'm leaving. Okay. I expect a phone call from Nicole to tell me about Derek Crockett, who's on probation, and how he's not going to contact my daughter anymore. And then if she wants to schedule some kind of pee test, as she puts it, she can send me a letter. She's got my address.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pass that on, okay?
You guys got my phone number. I expect a phone call.
Okay.
Right now, because I'm in the courthouse. Let's see the judge right now. We'll talk right now. It's right in Clyde Court. Let's talk. Right now. Here. Record me, please. Because these guys are now trying to kill me. They now have trapped me in the courthouse, produced a false... No, I'll sit right here on the bench. I'll sit right here on the bench. I'm waiting to see the judge. I was here conducting business. I'm good and lawful. My child's out in the car, dude. You can't do this. Which one? My daughter. The one I take care of.
Alright, come on.
You're not going to sit here and bring me this. This is... No, I took the drug screen.
Friday. I got results out in my car. You want me to go get them? You want to follow me?
I can't leave right now.
Well, you
Once he
can't
says
detain
it,
me.
yeah, you can.
Then let's see the judge right now, because I was here for other business. Sir,
Please
I'm not
come with
here.
me now. Brian, just go. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna walk you through this, okay?
Okay, where are we going?
Well, we're gonna get you over to Clyde.
How?
We gotta get you over there first. You can't take
No, you can't detain me. That's against my rights. This is unlawful. This is unlawful. I'm on non-reported probation. You don't have a right to detain me. I'm on non-reported probation.
Relax.
You guys are trying to put me in custody so that you can say I became combative and they kill me like you did Craig Burdine.
I'm not gonna do any of that.
No, you might not, but your buddy is. You're gonna try to kill. They're gonna try to kill me like Craig Burdine.
I'm gonna do it. Let's go.
You're gonna be with me all the way. You're taping this, Brock. You're gonna be with me. I'm riding with you. Stand down.
I can't ride with nobody.
Please
Stay put. Stand down.
Right.
Come on, follow me, please. I'm Brock. I'm not going in the room.
You have to go in.
Why?
Just go in. I gotta get you in here.
Sir, we do not want to use force. That is the last thing.
You're right. You're not going to use force.
Brian.
If we have to, we will.
I don't need to be detained.
Yes, we
no.
do.
Please don't touch me.
Please take your
Please don't touch me.
Take your backpack off.
Brian, get in here.
No, you cannot take my backpack
You
off.
are under arrest.
For what? What am I under arrest
You've
for?
been told.
What am I under arrest for?
Brian, quit.
Brian. I heard you talking about mine.
This is unlawful. This is unlawful. So I did my results were out my damn car, bro. With Ohio Vice
We want to keep this as
That's fine.
low key as
Judge, get him
possible.
on. Let's go. I said make me
Can
big.
get her.
Judge is over here in Clyde. Let's go see him. Yeah, let's go see the judge, because I turned in my drug drugs like they wanted me to within 24 hours.
You sent it to her?
I sent it straight to the courts. Court's got a copy of it. I went to a probation department. Court's got a copy of it, and she got a copy of it. And I called Cash and said, hey, I took a drug test. It's there. It's good. I live in Michigan. I'm not coming to Ohio. I came to Ohio for other business. Other filings right here. My custody stuff that I've got proceedings going on, man. March 13th, I've got court cases, bro. I'm here for other business. And they know if they wanted me, they would send me a letter to my mail address in Michigan. This is a misdemeanor stuff. Yeah. Traffic. Okay, is this Michigan? No.
No, it's an Ohio arrest warrant.
You can't detain me in court. Right. You can't detain me in court. I am in the courthouse here doing official business. But it's in violation of Ohio law. Yes, it is.
It is.
You can't be arrested on a Sunday during day of worship. You can't be arrested on the 4th of July. You can't be arrested doing business in the courtrooms.
Are you guys ready with them now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now?
As soon as I make it,
This is my team.
Okay, we're gonna take off, okay? Go turn face me.
Thank you.
Yep, face me. There you go. Everything is dig on,
No.
I have to.
get over there and listen to each other. Okay? You have that. That's a unit, right?
It's in my car.
She can get it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, now that I'm handcuffed and detained, can I leave up and ask supervisor to make sure she's getting what she got? I mean, come on, obviously, I know. We can go over to the office. I'm detained. Or whatever, I'm whatever you want to talk. Okay, since you're under arrest, you got the right to say something, say, or you can be. Enough. Just get my card.
You need anything from her? You want her to have anything?
Okay.
I do apologize if some of the wording on your form was not to your liking. I did really think that you needed to get somewhere where you could get, some pain medication. And also, I know you were so upset, and, it sounds like you had reasons, but, something to maybe help you chill out a little bit, because I did really see the law, charging you with, disorderly conduct, disturbing the peace, whatever, and, I would hate to see that happen on top of everything else. And I really was not trying to be malicious or disrespectful in any way, but I really did feel that was the best, quickest way to get you linked with some help. I knew that the hospital here would not provide you any of the pain medication, and I was just trying to do what I would want someone to do for me if I was in that situation. So I do apologize if I, offended you. My intentions were good. I really thought that it would be a good thing, better than staying at the jail with no medications, to get into a hospital. Okay, well, good luck with everything. Take care. Bye-bye.
This sucks. I don't know what to say, man. I fought. That's all I can say. They pushed back pretty hard. So, hey, I know what I did in my life. University of Toledo, slate roofing. Old Orchard Elementary, 400,000 square foot, shingle replacement, smoked it, bam. Fort Meigs Elementary, Perrysburg, Ohio, 700,000 square foot. A couple other good men right next to me. Yep, right here. I gave Derek Crockett employment. I fed him. I did what Yahshua told me to do. I know I'm good. Amen. Louisiana, 5 times. I know I'm good. So, it's alright that the forces push back, because they know, yep. I recognize you. I'm good. So, I don't know what's going to happen, the way they tried to pink slip me and the way they're maliciously trying to roll me over. I don't know what to think with these guys. They can say I'm paranoid. I disagree. The fact that me and Derek Crockett have the same probation officer, and when I make complaints about him talking to my daughter, who he abused physically, mentally, emotionally, proven in a court of law, and they still just let him mow over the system and let them ignore all court orders. If somebody were to dig into the case number, wow. All contacts will have case numbers. So, if you let them bury me, you let them bury me. But I just ask that nobody lets you. Don't let them bury me. That's all I know. So, you guys be good.